Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a U-substitution problem for integral calculus. So the problem here is the integral of x over the square root of x plus 1 dx. So we're going to let u be equal to x plus 1. Then we're going to derive this. du now will be equal to dx. So from this equation, we can write x as equal to u minus 1. So we can now rewrite our original integral as u minus 1, since x is equal to u minus 1, all over u raised to 1 half, since x plus 1 is equal to u. Okay, then dx is equal to du. Then we're going to separate the denominator. U over u raised to 1 half minus 1 over u raised to 1 half du. Then let's going to simplify this. U over u raised to 1 half is, if we're going to simplify that, we'll be left with u raised to 1 half minus u raised to negative 1 half du. Then we're going to integrate. U raised to 1 half, if we are going to integrate that, we're going to add 1 to the exponent. 1 half plus 1, that is equal to 3 halves. So whatever we add on the exponent, we're going to do it also on the denominator, over 3 halves. Minus u, negative 1 half plus 1, that is 1 half, over 1 half, plus c. Next, we're going to simplify this one. We have 2/3 u raised to 3 halves minus 2 u raised to 1 half plus c. Since u is equal to x plus 1, it's going to substitute that back. So we'll have 2/3 x plus 1 raised to 3 halves minus 2 x plus 1 raised to 1 half plus c. That is the final answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something today. See you again next time.